Headlights fitting good, fenders fitting good. I'm gonna drill a couple holes and put a plate on the backside.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner.
All right, back to the grind. I have a Subaru Outback here. This one took a weird hit in the front end, and it's getting 2 new fenders, and then I have to repair the structure right here where the fender mounts up and everything, and also this front apron is twisted up right in there as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna repair both of these areas, then I'll have to fit the parts, fit the fender and headlight and everything, and get everything fitting correctly in this corner. And once that's done, it will go over to the paint shop. All right, I got this corner all fitting good, headlight and fender, all the gaps look good, everything fits good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up some of my marks on this structure here, and I'm gonna send this one over to the paint shop, let them get it painted. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and send this Subaru on to the paint shop, and now I have the Chevy Cruze here. This one, another light tap in this left front corner here. This time I gotta do a little pull in and repair on the structure right here. Let's see how all that comes out. It gets a new fender, new bumper cover, new headlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and work the structure back into shape and get the fender, headlight and everything fit in. All right, I'm gonna check my gaps on this one. Looks like it's looking pretty good. Headlights fitting good, fenders fitting good. All that structure came out really nice. So I'm actually going to send this one on over to the paint shop and let them get it painted. Now I have a Mazda 6 here. This one got hit right in this back corner here. I am going to actually, how's this go like that? I'm gonna sacrifice this piece. It's messed up, but I'm also gonna use this to pull off of in order to bring this all out. So in this piece, I'm gonna drill a couple holes and put a plate on the backside in order to use to pull. So I just fit this bumper cover up, and this corner right here is actually still sucked in, which I kind of was thinking it might have been from the way the bumper bracket was fitting, but I wanted to sit the bumper on to find out. So I'm gonna pop this all back apart, and I gotta get this corner to come out, and then we should be pretty close to welding after that. All right, let's try this again. I got that corner all fitting better now, so I went ahead and pulled it back apart, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this all welded in.